Okay na. Tapos. Ayan.
Do you have an idea what will happen next?
Wala.
Well, let's see. Let's call our money bird.
Ayan. Okay na. Ano kaya kukunin? Kukunin siguro pera. Oh! Ayan po mga amigo, alas 4 na po dito at nag-aantay po kami sa huling show po. Itong All-Star Bird Show. Ang tagal namin nag-antay. Dapat pala pag pumunta kayo dito mga amigo, mas maganda na halimbawa mga alauna ganun, para dire-diretso hanggang kasi 4:30 pa yung bird show eh. Kapag ka pumunta kayo dito sobrang aga, mag-aantay kayo kasi matatapos nyo na yung lahat ng matatapos nyo na lahat yung pupuntahan nyo. Tapos napakabilis lang kasi. So advisable na pumunta kayo. Ma-advise ko sa inyo pumunta kayo dito mga alas 12 ganon o alauna para dire-diretso. Sí, vamos. Aha. Ang ginawa nila natulog, yan si Misma nakatulog kasi nag-antay kami. So ito na yung uli, All-Star Bird Show, Sea Lion Show. Back to back. Sayang naman, dapat aalis na kami kanina. Hindi na namin pupunta kasi parang alas 11:30 tapos na kami eh. Nalibot na namin lahat. So ito na lang yung talagang kulang. So yung dalawang pila daw. Ano ba iniinom ni Sophie? Sophie, ano iniinom mo?
Telepono na lang.
Ayan. Sabay-sabay tayo dito. Ayan. Ay, pwede palang maligo dito. Bakit pwedeng maligo? Pwede pala maligo. Ayan o. Amir! Dukere? Ayan. Ha?
Wow!
On the edge of your seat. Manila Ocean Park is so to unveil our limited attractive.
See how intelligent these birds are. Crazy Bird Chaco. Lookout Cactus, scientific kakatulong necessities. These birds can find an easy to the shot. And there you go, intelligent right around the bird Chaco. To Manila Ocean Park, All-Star Bird Show with me, Rainier April. Now here's an object that I will hide under one of the 3 silver cups. So where do you want me to put this object? On your left, on your right, or here on the middle? Left, right, or middle? Okay, so let's put it right. Alright, along the east coast of Australia. Finger firm enough. Go, Dazzle! Find the hidden object for us. Birds are just like any very couple. Monogamous, meaning but as any couple will attest in a relationship, there will always be battles. Meet Sassy and Rocky, our beautiful girl breeding birds. All girls will cheer for Sassy. What do you say? Sassy! Sassy! Rocky! Rocky! Alright, birds ready? Trainers ready? Set, go! Okay? And Rocky wins! What can you say about the trainer, Mikey? You guys lose this time.
Hold it. We want another race.
Oh, she wants another race. Can you less?
Are you sure about that? Di man sasabihin sa game?
This time, I guarantee you that Sassy will win.
So what race do you have in mind?
I want a race.
And what is our race?
The first bird who can draw 3 rings into the pole, the fastest is the winner. And that is a race.
So the race is shown. Remember guys that boys are going to have 1 point. So girls, let's turn louder for Sassy who wins this time. We'll be winning this time and this time our race. Ready, set, go! Here's my bonus for the game. Followed only by Zach. Hey, what's happening? Something up! Something! How proper is that? And the winner is Sassy!
Oh!
So, 5 goes to... So this time, I need an adult volunteer. We adult winner will choose one.
Ako.
Guys, don't be shy. An
Ako ba, Fred?
There is a law here, honey, Laudra.
And then?
I spotted for
Ako nag-volunteer. Ano gagawin?
What is your name?
Roel Francisco.
Parang pasok mo ng research na mo.
Ah. Okay na. Tapos? And then?
As I put your money in your fingers.
Ayan.
Do you have an idea what will happen next?
Wala.
Well, let's see. Let's call our money bird.
Ayan. Okay na. Ano kaya kukuha? Kukunin siguro yung pera. Oh! Wala ang pera.
Rescue Center for Birds.
Ano?
Alam niyo po rescue center?
Hindi.
Well, now you know your money will go away.
Okay lang.
Thank you so much.
Isa pa, pwede. O, isa pa. Oo, may na. Sige. Apunta raw sa rescue. Oh.
Buddy wants to give you a kiss. Sergey,
Ano gagawin ko?
kikis ko ba nipon?
Kikis? Ah, sige, sige, sige.
At the camera and
Selfie. Oh. Wala kita. Wala ba? Kabila. Oh, kabila. One?
Kasi pag escuchan como persona. Hasta saben leer.
Para daw tao, sabi siya, mami. Oh.
Everyone, meet our amazing chickens!
Mira, mira cómo viene, mira.
Ah? Para sa lugar.
Oh!
For those who are landed here as well. Now guys,
Oh.
this is the only home we've got. 100% of our trainers that made the show possible. Trainer Mikey with Trainer Mark with Rock. Trainer Kurt with Buddy. Trainer Johnny with Shadow. Trainer Sean and Trainer David with the homing pigeons. Bye guys, please remember
Bye.
to see because this is Napasiha and show. Thank you.
Ayun, sabi oh. Pero iyo.
Allow me to introduce to you that you was a production here at the Ocean Bar.
Ayun na, sabi o. Ate, ayun na. Ate, dito. Ate, naman na dito. Ayun na. Sabi! Sabi!
Which are shaped like a bird's wing. Seagulls. The term Winnipeg will also be translated as swing wavers to the ears, giving you a good sense of hearing, hold above and below the water surface. Sea lions, like any marine mammals, can see both above and underwater. They have a keen eyesight but no color vision. In the wild, they inhabit waters close to the shores, while lions with bicycles and have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent climbing abilities, which can easily scale rocky cliffs. So check it out. Very strong rock flavors. And now let's talk about their swimming abilities and start with Isis, the BTS. Sea lions are generally cruise at around 11 miles per hour using the rowing movement of their front flippers, while their back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as rudder or steering, and that's their normal swim. Nice and easy. Thank you so much, Energy and Isis. But when chasing their prey or escaping from predators, they can achieve a burst speed up to ready Isis, some 25 miles per hour. And that's just really a fast man. For Sandra, the sexy grass. Great job, Sandra. Dr. Lucy. Ooh, nice. Another one. She deserves it. So here's an interesting story about our sea lion. Did you know that the U.S. Navy has trained a few of them to take part in the special operation? Yeah, that's right. They are able to hold their breath for up to 20 minutes and they can dive hundreds of feet. Abilities that even the best Navy divers would be envious of. And since they cannot be detected by radar or water, they are told to recognize and avoid underwater mines. Alright, ladies, are you ready? So let's do. Now let's march. Ready? Hop, 2, 3, 4, hop, 2, 2. Now this time, guys, could you please join our sea lion friends? Count of 3. Everybody please salute and make this one lap. Alright guys, are you ready? Hey guys, I can't hear you. Are you ready? Alright, let me count. 1, 2, 3. Salute everybody. Thank you so much. Well, sea lions are also used to surf and return. Let's do all our birds, the rings. Check those rings. Isis and also Sandra on the roll call for sea lion friends. Great job, ladies. And they asking for red. But after the rings winners, what next? You know, so how do you take to get the balls? It's a ball dance. Purple Sandra. Let's go, Isis. Almost there. Isis. Let's go. Everyone. Almost there. This time. One more there. Alright. Alright, I think you got everything. Now let's move on. Now we come to the part of the show where one of you will be able to meet Isis up close. So may I call Miss Crystal Sistosa? Miss Crystal? Alright, while we're waiting for our guest, you should like to know, you're only one male. They came all the way from Chile, South America, and arrived here last July 4, 2009. Scientific Sultana Plaza. This time, well, our favorite shake is always appropriate. Hold Isis flavor. Look at the camera and smile. Hey, Isis, smile. There you go. Alright, mom. True? I think it is. Alice, of course. Alice is with Isis. Alright, mom. It's Philippine mom. Who is the mom? And Lindborg and our list for this release. Alright, mom, release. Alright, let's begin. 1, 2, 3, and it's a happy, satisfied, free lion. Alright, mom, how about Angola chicken? Ooh, so sweet. And here, open your mouth, happy. How about the roll call for lucky guests? Alright, mom, you go back to your seat and enjoy the rest of the show. By the way, mom, last number from our C9 friend. Hey guys, first energy, would you love to see him dance? Now, we go by song. C9 grass. Move it, move it. Off your hands and be quiet, Bob. Alright, ladies, show it the side by side. And the flavor dancing. Rock and roll, Isis Club. Into the water, the water boys. Reason, Ferdinand. Go, Thanos. Nice reason. And around the world you'll go round and round. Keep on rolling. Like what? Alright, hey, show them what you got. And ready your camera. Well, this is the best part. Arriba! Por la finale! Dale! And eso! How about a round of applause for C9 Rex for the great dance number and another round of the precious please. We are friends in the sea. Sea lions, like any marine animals, cannot survive in a harmful environment. Aside from pollution, there are many other threats to their survival all over the world, such as climate change, and you can learn more about this inside the oceanarium. Always keep in mind that we are the steward of the planet, and thus each one of us must do what we can to protect the serve all inhabitants in the Mother Earth, including ourselves. So on behalf of Claire, Johnny, and Isis, Claire First, and Sandra, and also here at Apatica in Manila Ocean Park, we would like to thank everyone for visiting us today. We all will come back and visit us again soon. So thank you and have a nice day. Say goodbye now to our C9 friends. Say goodbye now. And remember guys, if you like to have some friends, please support our Manila.
So ayun pa mga amigo, ang sabi sa akin na acknowledge daw po tayo ng boss nila, kaya okay lang daw magka-picture na rin sila yun.
Don't miss out on the fun because here at Manila Ocean Park, we've got season!
Ang saya-saya sa Manila!
Kaya umiyak, gustong maligo. Ito ka rin, Banyan? O, vamos sa Banyan. Echa. So, ang saya-saya. Tapos, bigla na lang umiyak si Sophie kasi gusto rin niya maligo. Na? Hawakan daw isda. Pipila tayo. Oh. Alright.